Welcome back to the channel today, guys. Today we're going to do something a little different. We want to show you guys a quick recap of one of our shorter term projects rather than the big scale builds. Today we've got a 2007 997 Turbo. It has 14,000 miles on it. Really highly sought after car, 6-speed manual. Great client of ours. He just wanted to kind of refresh it, kind of bring it into 2022. The car was originally gloss black with some 3-piece wheels on that we'll show you a couple images of before shots of. Car looked fine, but it was dated. So when he came in to us, he wanted us to kind of put our spin on it. So we started obviously first with a color. He wanted something a little brighter, a little more bold, but not something that really stood out in your face. So we went with a KPMF film. It's purple black metallic, and it has a color change effect to it. So in here it looks a little more blackish purple. Take it out in the sun and it gleams really purple. It's a really cool color. And we kept it kind of simple on the accents. So if you come down here and take a look, we accentuated the factory aero kit on the 997 by doing everything in gloss black. We did gloss black grills, the radiators are black, you'll see the side skirts, the rear diffuser are black, and we obviously did the little headlight washer nozzles and other small accents throughout the car. When we wanted to address the stance of the car, obviously wheels played a big point in this. So we went with an AL13 dual block wheel, came out amazing. Flat profile on the front, deep concave profile in the rear. Obviously that has a gloss black finish, and behind there, you guys can see, this is a really unique color. It's called Mirai White. And what we did is we broke down the factory red caliper, had them spray Mirai White, built the caliper decals, so they're the OE factory caliper decals, reapplied that, clear coated over that, and then also color matched the trim ring on the AL13 wheels, which kind of puts all of that rolling stock blending really well together. So really happy with the way that turned out. Also gave it a pop of color through all of that black. Now if we go to the back of the car, if you guys are familiar with the 997, it comes with incandescent standard rear tail lamps, and you can see that we upgraded to the LED tail lights with the LED surround, LED backup lights, and also the LED turn signals. Those did require resistors, so the resistors are wired in and they don't cause any error codes. We also put a very light satin tint film on top of it, so it kind of blended in with the sheen of the body. So they didn't really pop. That chrome from the center of the taillight doesn't really pop out and stand out at you. It kind of is just all satin, which I think really looks good. We upgraded the rear badging to keep the Porsche emblem, but this is off of a 992 and emulated what it looks like on the 992 and eliminated the more old school 911 turbo script. And then down here, you can see our gloss black accents that run down along the lower quarters. And then we finished the AWE exhaust with a set of TechArt matte black tips, which I think really fill that up nicely. Traditionally, there's an odd shaped triangle tip there that we're not really a big fan of, and it was chrome. So I think this is a much more modern, updated look. But other than that, we're really happy with the way the car came out. We'll show you some after photos of this that Dave took for us. Show you the side-by-side. So we're gonna get the car covered up, and in a couple hours, the client will be here to see the car for the first time. He did allow us free reign on the car, so this is kind of what we came up with. It will truly be the first time that he sees the car in person, and fingers crossed he's going to be happy with the outcome.